Hello aviators, and welcome back to yet another video on Delta Bravo Tango. Today I am personally bringing you guys a slightly different video because I'm going to show you all what I bring on board a short haul flight to make myself both comfortable and productive while traveling. And without further ado, let's hop on board and check out my recommended gear. First things first, let's clarify what I mean by a short haul flight. You might have your own definitions regarding this short flight, but to me, I consider any trip between 0 and 3 hours to be a short haul. Due to the fact that the trip is most likely domestic or at most transborder, and the fact that I will possibly not stay for too long, I will not require any checked luggage. Not only would bringing checked luggage slow me down, it would also empty my wallet very quickly because I would usually have to pay extra for it. Now, on my most previous domestic short trips, I managed to pack all my necessary belongings into one backpack, so it is only right that we start with that. Any sized backpack generally would do, although I recently got this backpack which is both large enough to fit everything and flexible enough to be stowed under the seat. Now, I wouldn't be a proper trip reporter without a proper camera and camera gear, so I have here my older camera which I will use as a prop for this video. Along with this, I will bring all my necessary accessories, my charger, and my Joby GorillaPod 1K. All of these things fit inside my smaller bag which I will use as a camera bag and I bring along with me. Next up, it is absolutely vital that I bring some spare clothes. I usually pack them inside a plastic bag and voila, there we go. It is easily squished underneath all my stuff in my backpack and fits nicely as well. Another very important thing that I would bring with me is my cell phone, because I wouldn't want to forget to bring Flight Radar 24 now, would I? I would also bring my charger. Additionally, it is always important to bring a wallet with credit card and spare cash, as well as my ID for a domestic flight and my passport as my ID for any international flights. Next up, I will usually bring a packet of gum or mints to keep myself feeling fresh, and I will always bring a watch and wired earbuds with me. I repeat, wired. I cannot stress this enough. AirPods are nice and all, but if you're hoping to use the IFE, then trust me, bring wired earbuds, or hope that they give out ones for free. Finally, I would bring my amenity kit with my essentials like my contacts, toothbrush and paste, and etc. These things fit inside this little red bag and is small enough to not take too much room. And there you go! That wraps up my video on the essentials that I bring along with me for a short haul flight. I personally don't think that this would be too difficult to carry, and it certainly fits inside a backpack. Tell me down in the comments section below anything that you believe me to have missed, and write something different that you would have to bring with you on a short haul flight. I thank you all so much for watching, and hope that you would take a moment to subscribe and like the video and share with others who might be wondering what to bring. And remember aviators, stay flying and have a great day everyone, and we'll see you all on the next flight and the next video.